So in this BTCC tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy Bitcoin here on BTCC. So once the BTCC app's opened up, you have to deposit money into your account. Once that is done, go to the bottom and then select the middle option where it says trade. Then for me, I'm actually on it right here, but for example, it'll be on USDT. You can go ahead and slide this top bar to the right to where it says spot. And to make sure that Bitcoin is selected where it says BTC to USDT, that's what we're looking for here. You can also go to the top and type in Bitcoin this way or just BTC. You can go ahead and select, through USDT or USDC. I'll just go ahead and select this one as an example. Now, once you're here, you can select to buy it or to sell it. You can also change the order type. I will just keep it at market order. You can go ahead and type in the amount right here. It'll then show you how much USDT. So if you wanted to buy like 25, it'll then show you how much Bitcoin that is. And if this looks good and you want to proceed, press on buy and you can go from there. So that's how you guys can buy Bitcoin here on the BTCC app. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.